Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can make images and photos transparent in the Pixlr Photo Editor, so let us get started. So guys, as you can see, we're in an example image project here, photo project, and I would like to make the background photo transparent so that that text here is more or better visible with that transparent background here. This is how you can do it. Select the background image with your left mouse or select it in your list of layers to the right. Right click into the given layer. And here from that menu, simply use that slider or adjuster here under opacity, which is usually set to 100%, to, let's say, let me go with almost 0, or if you go with totally 0, the image will become 100% transparent and basically disappear. But you can play around with that opacity, of course, and find your preferred setup, guys. So let me leave it at that. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.